What's up, everyone? With the recent issues of DMCA on Twitch, many of us have been looking for copyright-free music, most of which is extremely generic. People like myself don't really want to spend an entire stream listening to the same generic beats over and over again. Twitch has done so little for us on this front for such a long time now. Only recently did they make an attempt to help by releasing the Twitch Soundtrack app. Unfortunately, Twitch Soundtrack only has the same generic music you'd find on streams like Monster Cat. With the release of the app, I realized there had to be a way to strip the audio from the VODs that Twitch stores on site. After some testing, I managed to find a method to save the VODs without the selected audio source. I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. Alright, for this to work, you're going to need an audio mixer of some kind. I use virtual audio cable, which you can see here. I have my 3 different audio lines. These audio devices allow me to separate my audio into different sources. You can also use a hardware mixer or something similar to virtual audio cable like Voicemeeter Banana. That's going to be an option up to you. I won't bring that over into this tutorial. I'm not going to tell you guys how to set it up there, but there are a ton of other tutorials on YouTube that will explain all of it. The first thing you need to do after that is download the Twitch Soundtrack app from the Twitch website. You have to choose which one you get it for, Streamlabs OBS or OBS. The reason you need it is for the plugin. I cannot tell you why it needs the plugin. It's just something I discovered the other day as I was messing around with it after I uninstalled the Twitch Soundtrack app. It needs it. Once you have the app installed, you need to add the plugin source to OBS. VOD audio for Soundtrack by Twitch is what it's called in your sources. Once it's in there, right-click on your audio devices, click Advanced Audio Properties, scroll to the right, find your audio device that has your music on it. Mine is just Spotify, which I set up using virtual audio cable, and uncheck 6. Make sure there is nothing going to track 6. Twitch uses 2 different audio routes for VODs and live streaming. Live streams you need to use track 1, and for VODs you need to use track 6. That's all there is to it. Once you have that done, there will not be any audio in your VODs.